What a terrific Thursday it turned out to be for the equity markets. Just when you thought it's going to be one of those quiet days again after yesterday's breakout, the momentum stayed put, and today we managed to scale up above the 17,600 mark. You heard me correctly. So after scaling it above and reaching that 17,500 price point on the Nifty, today was the turn of 17,600 on the Nifty Futures. So yet again a record close in that sense. Today, of course, the broader markets consolidated a little bit. So it was largely a neck and neck kind of market breadth that you closed the day with about 91 stocks going home as losers within the F&O universe and about 82 to the declines. But that's negligible given that month to date you've had the benchmark index consolidate and the broader markets actually be on a tear and outperform what the large caps have done. So a little bit of consolidation is par for the course. What was really scaling up today and held up in favor of the large caps was definitely banks and banks all the way. Look at the kind of first move that you saw on the Nifty Bank alone, which managed to scale a lifetime high for itself. You had movers like an Indusind Bank, which scaled up in excess of 7%. In fact, pick up any stock within the banking pack. SBI, of course, was also a very, very big mover, participating and holding up in excess of about 4% on the futures, almost closing in actually at a 5% gain. Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, these were all big movers today. BOB, PNB were some of the other smaller names which also saw some big percentage moves. In fact, PNB, in terms of the price action, was actually the biggest mover. It even overtook the gains on Indusind Bank, almost closing in with an 8% gain on the stock price. That said, the big star performer today was ITC and ITC all the way. Look at the kind of move that you saw on the stock price. This has been the last one to really play catch up into the market rally. A 7% move no less at the intraday highs and finally closing in at a 6.8% gain in the futures ITC and closing bell. This was really one big mover. Finally, pleasing the disappointed investors and making it above that 230 rupee per share price point on ITC. That said, you also had a good move coming in Reliance Industries. That also provided apt cushion to the index today, and Reliance managed to scale up about almost 1.6% in today's trading session. The story of the day, of course, began by tracking telecom after the relief package yesterday, a shot in the arm for Idea, although many are still raising question marks about what's going to happen to Idea in the long term. While this is just an interim relief, that's how the market is perceiving it. Because Idea will still have to fundraise to try and keep their balance sheet healthy for capex expansion or for their expansion plans, spectrum usage and what have you. And of course, they will have to undertake tariff hike at the same time, trying to maintain their market share as well, which they've already begun losing to the other bigger players, which is Bharti as well as Reliance Jio. But Idea spurred up quite a fair bit, 27.25% move no less coming in for Idea today. Indus Tower as well was the other big mover with an 8.7% surge.